Welcome to Two Emoji Friends. Today we're going to be doing a challenge, and the challenge is called What's in My Mouth. So let's start.
So he's going to go first. Put the blindfold on. And hurry up because I need to pick something fun. Where is this spoon there?
I'm going to put this on.
Just put it like how you put it on. Like that. Okay, you can't see anything, right?
No.
Okay. Steven, you can't see. And you can't put your blindfold up.
Right, Mom? Philadelphia.
Open it.
Yeah.
You can spit it out.
Here. I hate that.
Okay, you got it right because you said you smelled Philadelphia. Okay.
Not my turn. Now it's her turn. So she's gonna put the blindfold.
Don't let me see the paper. Show it to the camera. I'm not seeing.
Pause it. Open your mouth.
Wait, are you recording it?
Yeah.
Wait, what is that? Give me more. Film Rico.
Yes.
You weren't recording it.
I was.
Put the.
You do it like that and I put the button.
Now it's his turn. Okay, so I'm gonna pick something.
So
Here, put it on.
We have to maybe add this.
Put it on. Yeah, clean it. Okay, I'm gonna pick something from here.
I can't breathe.
You can put it right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Please tell me it's not butter.
Okay, Steven.
Quick. It's butter.
No. Hey, if you're looking,
I'm
stop.
not looking. It's cream.
You don't know.
Goober?
Never know. Open. Steven!
That frosting.
Probably. Steven, stop looking. Okay. Okay. Go to your spitting one. Here.
Ew.
Ew, that's nasty. Okay, so he didn't like it.
But I actually won because I said butter.
Yeah. But you need to guess. You need to try it first and then guess. Don't take off the blindfold. But you said a bunch of random things. Okay. Now it's my turn.
Now it's her turn.
I don't really own one.
So she's gonna put the blindfold.
Go, I don't know what is it. Go, you wanted it?
Yeah. Okay.
I think I know. It's
I'm
one of the
recording.
two. Wait, I don't know what it is. Vanilla frosting?
Nope.
Pink icing.
Yes.
Yeah, I knew it.
I got this. I got this.
Now it's his turn. He's gonna get a good stuff because there's good stuff. The blindfold.
Why don't you see it? And then you see if it's something good.
Okay.